everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelli. So as you guys already read by today's title, so exciting, I will be doing my first impressions on the Dyson Supersonic. Before we can jump into this video, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so you guys get notified every single time I upload a video, okay? So now let's get into it. So I am so excited. I'm excited about all my videos, but today in particular, I'm just so excited. Here it is. Ding! She is beautiful. She is purple. She is everything. I'm so excited that I got this. I can't believe I got this. By the way, this was a gift for my birthday by my boyfriend. So thank you for spoiling me with this. Definitely, it's just like I've been wanting this dryer for a couple months, and girl, this is expensive. Like, this Dyson is $400. I know it's a huge price point for a dryer. So I've heard a lot of great things about it, and I wanted this dryer for the longest. And of course, it's purple. Purple is my favorite color. So I'm gonna just be showing you guys what I got with this, because for the holidays, it's a limited time only. I think you are getting 3 accessories for free, not including the ones that the dryer already comes with. There are separate accessories that you will be getting for free with the dryer. So the Dyson Supersonic says that it's fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types. So it has a powerful airflow, has a cold shot, insulated chamber, reduces surface temperature on both the inside and outside of the barrier. Engineered for balance, the 22mm diameter motor is positioned in the handle for a balance. You see, that's why I like it. It's so lightweight, guys, because you're actually holding the mortar instead of holding it on the diffuser head. It helps protect natural shine, smooth control, styling, re-engineered styling attachments. This is she. Comes with a pretty long cord. I really like that. It's very thick, like really good quality. This dryer is super lightweight, and the reason for that is because the mortar and everything is built into the handle. Unlike my old blow dryer, the mortar is built on the top head. Okay, so this one here has been my ride and die chick for many years. I think I had this blow dryer for like 5 years. It's from Conair. This diffuser attachment did not come with it. I did buy it separately. I will link this dryer on my description box for those of you who are interested, because you do not need a expensive $400 blow dryer to diffuse your clothes. I've been using this one for years, and like I said, it's worked amazingly. I love it. Nothing is wrong with it. I just really wanted the Dyson. Yeah, it's worked great. It has really good heat settings, low and high, and also for the air. And what I really loved about this one was the cord. It keeps its cord inside, so it's so convenient. Like, I really do love this blow dryer because of that. I think that's the reason why I loved it the most. So let me show you what this one came with. It's 3 attachments, which are the diffuser, which it's magnetic, it's beautiful, it's well built. I love this, and this is how she looks like. And then it also comes with other 2 attachments for blowouts. They all just attach to it. It comes off pretty easily. I like the magnetic. It's like really sturdy. And it also came with this heat pad where you could just place your Dyson. So I'm gonna show you now the attachments that I got for free of your choice. So the accessory that came free is the stand. She is also purple. I love it. She's amazing. So yeah, so you just put all your attachments here like so, and they all just have magnet, so they just attach, and then you just attach your blow dryer on top. Boom, like that. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. Just wow. All right, so that's the stand. The stand itself, it's $60, guys. The stand by itself is $60. Without these, because like I said, these attachments come with the blow dryer itself. So just the stand itself is $60. I got it for free. Well, my boyfriend got it for free. And then he also got me for free the case. Oh my God, this case is everything. The stitching is also purple. It's beautiful. It's magnetic as well. It's just so beautiful. Alrighty, so I wanted to show you guys what the Dyson looks like inside of its case. The case pretty much is just for the Dyson itself because of its long cord. I tried putting in my diffuser and it didn't fit. So yeah, pretty much only the Dyson fits in this carry box, in this box. And then he also got me for free this attachment, I think also for like blowouts. I don't really like straighten my hair ever, so I don't know if I'll ever use these, but they're there. This Dyson comes with 3 heat levels and it gets pretty warm. I already tried it, and it also comes with 3 air levels. Throws really good air. And then it also comes with this cold shot, which is really good for, you know, switching on and off that heat. So let me turn her on because she sounds amazing, guys. She sounds so bomb. So turn it on here. And this is her little motor. And yeah, this is my first speed, and then I don't know if this is gonna catch level 2, level 3. And this is the heat setting. So for those of you who do follow me here on my YouTube channel, you guys know that I do have high density hair and I have a lot of hair. So it takes a long time for me to dry my hair. It literally takes me for 100%, for my hair to be 100% fully dried, it takes me about a little over an hour. Sometimes I don't spend the whole hour because I'm just tired of holding the blow dryer. So I'll just diffuse for about 40 to 45 minutes and then just finish air drying my hair, just because I'm just so impatient and it just takes forever because girl, ain't nobody got time to be diffusing for over an hour. So first I just want to say that you guys don't need this expensive thing. Like, if you guys have the money, go ahead and splurge on it, girl. Like, it's you, do you, boo boo. You work for your money. I mean, I got this as a gift, but after the holidays, I was gonna make this purchase. So I was just waiting for the holidays to see if somebody would buy it for me, and someone did. So I got really lucky. I did save myself some money because I was gonna invest on it after the holidays because I really did want it. So I was gonna get it regardless. So like I said, you guys do not need this expensive dryer. I've been using the one for like $35 for years and it's worked amazingly. So yeah, it's just your preference, girl. So yeah, anyways, I am going to go ahead and style my hair. Once I've styled completely, I will come back and show you guys my diffusing process. Alrighty guys, and for today's styling products, I will be using my ultimate favorites at the moment that I know they're like always good to my hair. So since I do have color in my hair now, it actually does like protein. So I will be using the collagen infusion from Novex. I love this brand. I love this line. If you guys have color treated hair or your hair just needs protein from damage, this line is great, guys. Then I will be using also my avocado and rose clump and define cream from Bounce Girl. This is one of my holy grail cream. I love this so much. I did a repurchase on it. And then on my tips, I will also be using the Bounce Girl, the Defining Butta. I love this for moisture. It is great. I will only be applying this on my tips. And then of course, I will be topping it off with my favorite gel, the Stronghold Gel by Ouidad. It's this one here. Okay, so I'm back looking like a little wet poodle after what, almost 20 minutes, about 25 minutes of styling my hair. I'm back. So now it is time to diffuse. I applied all my products in and I put this t-shirt on because, you know, curly hair problems when it comes to styling. So yeah, I'm gonna start my diffusing my hair now. You guys already know that it usually takes me about a full hour, like I said, to diffuse my hair. So I'm super excited to see how long it takes with my Dyson. For the airflow, I'm gonna be using it on level 3 just because like it's not that much. When you put the diffuser head on, it does not throw that much. I don't feel like it throws like a lot of air. It's just like distributes the air evenly throughout the whole diffuser head. So I'm gonna turn it on and then I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. So the time is now 2:16. After about 3 minutes of diffusing my roots, I brought down the airflow to a level 2 to start cupping my curls. So about 15 minutes after just drying my whole hair, I went ahead and brought the airflow to a level 3 again to just hover around my whole hair to finish the drying process. All right, it is now 2:37. That was basically what? We started at 2:16. So that was basically 20 minutes, right? And my hair is completely dry. 100% dry. 100% dry. 100%. It's crazy that my hair is so dry so quick. Like, this is amazing. Like, I can't believe my hair is dry in 20 minutes. Like 100%. My roots are so dry. It's on level 1 heat, guys, too. Like, that is crazy. So what if I were to use level 2 or level 3 heat? My hair will be literally done in, like, I don't know. Wow, I'm so amazed, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna fluff my hair out and then I'll be right back and give you my thoughts. Okay, also I want to say that I don't have any frizz. Like, I have like very minimal frizz. I haven't fluffed it out yet. I'm still putting in my pecky oil to break the little cast that I have. So my personal thoughts on this Dyson $400 hair dryer is that I am completely amazed at how quick it dried my hair at a level 1. Level 1, remember I did set this at level 1 and then at level 3 for the airflow, and then I brought it down, the airflow, to a level 2 just to start picking up my curls and cupping them inside the diffuser. Then I went back and I just used the level 3 airflow to just hover around and just finish drying my hair. My hair looks bomb. I feel like I have a lot of shine. Doesn't give you a lot of definition. Your hair is drying pretty quick. So therefore, I usually like to do this technique where I like to pick up my hair like this with a diffuser to create volume at the roots. And I couldn't do that because my hair got dried pretty quick, so my roots were already drying at that speed, so I couldn't really lift them like I usually do. So I definitely need to find a routine for the Dyson because it does dry your hair really quick. I have minimal frizz. I love it. I could go on the go, wash my hair, dry it, let's go. I love that. So like I said, you guys do not need this $400 air dryer. Like I said, I've used my Conair for about 5 to 6 years. It's worked perfectly for me. I just really wanted this Dyson. So I say that if you really want this Dyson and you have curly hair and you have a lot of hair, like I do, long hair or just high density hair, then buy it, girl. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I just really wanted to review this and give you my personal first impressions on this $400 device. Like I said, I didn't buy this. I did not make this purchase. This was my birthday gift from my boyfriend. So thank you so much for this. I will definitely be taking so much care of this Dyson. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye guys.